Hello traders, and welcome to my 6th candlestick practice trading video. So again, today we will be looking at candlestick formations, and we will also be looking at their volume and Fibonacci retracements to judge whether we want to buy, sell, or hold in the market. So I hope you're familiar with these patterns, and without further ado, let's get started. So let's look at this first example. We can see strong bullish volume going upward, so you can see here. Weak bearish volume here with also very low tails, meaning that a continuation is likely. The continuation occurs and we get a doji with a bit of a evening star formation here on bad volume, bad bearish volume. Now I'm going to give you guys the first example. If you had seen these candles print and you had seen this Fibonacci retracement, would you buy? Or would you wait for a better time to buy and skip on this opportunity? I'll give you guys 10 seconds to guess if you're going to buy. And I will also ask you guys to label this candlestick pattern. There are 2 candlestick patterns within this. And I think that they're both quite valuable. So see if you can guess one of the 2 candlestick patterns. I'll give you guys 10 seconds. Okay, the first candlestick pattern I see on this formation is a tweezer bottom. A tweezer bottom is when price comes down, makes a low, and then the candlestick after it makes the same low but closes bullish. We can also see that this is a bullish engulfing candle, and that this would mean that price is very much likely to go upward. Also with the Fibonacci retracement, I would highly not recommend skipping this opportunity and waiting for price to go lower to enter the market, because this right here is a fantastic sign to enter the market. And volume is good enough for a bullish run to take place. So if you had bought, you would have had this. And a quick note, we can see that this bearish stopper candle right here, as you can see, it stops the momentum. It really does not have a lot of volume. So if you had seen this, you really should not be that worried. Because if this had volume that was higher than this candle, showing that a lot of people were selling, then that might be an issue going forward. But with volume this low, I would just hold the trade. And if you had, you would have caught this. Which brings us to our next example. So again, label this candlestick pattern. This is a 3 candlestick pattern. And tell me if you would want to buy, sell, or hold if you are already bought. Let me give you guys 10 seconds. Yeah, so this is the evening star formation. And the evening star formation has a bullish run, a doji, and then a bearish candle, as you can see here. And the bearish volume was quite good, and the bullish volume was quite bad, as you can see here. Not many people are buying as price slowly goes up. A lot more people are selling as price goes down. So here would be a very good point to just get out of the market if you had bought in here. Now moving forward, we are now looking for more opportunities to buy. And a quick note, if you had seen this evening star formation and then seen this bearish engulfing candle right here with the weak bullish volume here and weak bullish volume here, if you had held it past, and strong bearish volume on these 2, then this is a must sell opportunity. You really cannot stay in the market if you see this kind of movement. Because if you had, you would have been hit by this, which would not have been good. It's better to just exit the market and look for better buying opportunities instead of holding the market. Because if you had bought here and held here, and then hope that price comes up from here, you would not have made nearly as much profit if you had bought here, sold here, and then maybe rebought here, or even bought here, sold around here, and then rebought here. So enough about that. Let's look at our next example. So like usual, guess this candlestick formation and tell me if you would want to buy, sell your position if you had held it, or hold. Okay, time's up. So this is a hammer candle right now. Usually hammers are bullish, but as you can see here, this one is bearish and serves a similar purpose. price was not able to close below the 50% of this candle, of this wick, as you can see here. We also have a bullish engulfing candle here that takes price upward. Volume is quite nice down here. We have an escalation of bearish volume showing that price is likely oversold. And then we have this strong bullish candle showing that the direction will change. And if you had seen this, this would have been a fantastic buying opportunity. And maybe you even could have done what I had said before, buy here, sell here, buy here. And if you had done that, you would have caught a really nice trade. And I put this example here too, because if you had not bought here, you would have had another opportunity to buy here. As you can see, we have some great bullish movement here, then some not so great movement down here as it gets quite bearish. But as price retraces and goes down, you can see that if you had put a buy order out at the 61.8 retracement before all this happened, then you would have bought here and held past then. And that would have been perfect as price went upward. Even if you had not bought, you would see that if you had not put a limit order out and wanted a market order out, then you would see that price goes up, price goes down to the 61.8 retracement, makes a low tail, two low tails, does not close beyond the 61.8, and then goes up in a bit of a hammer formation right here. So this would be a fantastic buying opportunity as well. So that's going to be it for my 6th candlestick practice trading video. As you can see here, if you just follow the rules of candlestick trading with looking at volume and especially looking at Fibonacci retracements, you really can pick up some great spots to buy and sell. And if you had bought here, sold here, and then maybe bought here or bought here, you would have caught this. And if you had seen that this head and shoulders formation had occurred, maybe you would have gotten out around here so that you wouldn't have been wrecked by this. So again, that's going to be it. If you guys have any questions about any candlestick patterns or any volume or Fibonacci retracements, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.